In this video, we'll guide you through the process of mirroring local disks between two servers over a network using the eEVOS. These mirrored disks will be utilized for mirroring virtual machines. This method ensures that both servers maintain identical copies of virtual machine data. In the event of a server failure, the remaining server can seamlessly take over the operation of the virtual machines, thereby providing a robust and reliable solution. Let's start with the creation process. In the Cluster Administration section, please click on Create Cluster Drive. You will be presented with two options to choose from: Server Mirror and Shared Drive. The Server Mirror option mirrors local disks over the network, while the Shared Drive option allows both servers to use an identical external drive, connected via iSCSI, SAS, or fiber channel. In this video, we will be creating a server mirror. Please provide a name for the mirror drive you are about to create. Next, select the drives from each server that you want to mirror. Next, input the IP address assigned to this drive. Please review the information you've provided. If all the details are accurate, proceed with the creation of the mirror cluster drive. The creation process could take anywhere from several minutes to several hours, depending on the size and speed of the disks. Once the drive is created, you can view its status. Green check marks will indicate a successful status and data consistency across both nodes. Please subscribe to our channel and make sure to visit our website. At euroNAS, we provide a wide range of exciting products for storage and virtualization, all complemented by our best-in-class customer support.